Welcome to the best pick. The best hair clippers is probably one of the most essential tools for anyone looking to maintain a sharp and stylish look at home, offering convenience and precision that rivals professional barbershops, allowing you to achieve that perfect fade or trim without the hassle of cords getting in the way, ultimately saving you time and money while ensuring you always look your best. Number 5. Wahl Rechargeable Cordless Haircutting and Trimming Kit 79434. Introducing the Wahl 79434, the ultimate tool for all your grooming needs. Whether it's for your head, beard, or body, this kit has you covered. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of cordless use with its long-lasting battery. The easy-to-clean stainless steel blades ensure a smooth, snag-free cut every time. Experience a powerful and consistent cut thanks to its rechargeable battery and self-sharpening steel blades. They stay sharp longer and are easily removable for cleaning. With 12 included attachment guards, you have everything you need to achieve your desired haircut and style at home. Trust in a brand used by professionals for over a century. Our clippers feature precision blades and quality construction for reliable performance. Looking for a quality gift? This precise clipper is ideal for dads, husbands, or boyfriends, making it a perfect present for any occasion. What we like. This one offers a solid 60 minutes of cordless use, perfect for those longer grooming sessions. Its self-sharpening blades ensure a consistently sharp edge without constant maintenance. If you're looking for a reliable all-around kit with plenty of options for different hairstyles, this is a great choice for home haircuts. What people say. The clippers are very quiet and smooth. The battery life is excellent, lasting for multiple haircuts on a single charge. It comes with a variety of attachments for different hair lengths, making it versatile. Number 4. Novah Professional Hair Clippers for Men. These professional clippers have been tested in top barbershops worldwide. Now, this trusted cordless set is available for everyone to achieve precision cuts. Designed with input from the world's best professionals, these clippers offer limitless styling potential. With premium guards and sharp blades, your creativity knows no bounds. Experience unparalleled versatility in shaping and outlining your look. Take control of your style with this premium kit, designed to power through thick hair and create crisp edges. Whether you're a pro or cutting at home, achieve the best results with ease. The unique handle ensures a secure grip, while the LED display provides all the information you need for a full day's work. Crafted with an all-metal unibody, these clippers offer a luxurious feel and grip. The fast-charging battery ensures all-day use, and the turbo speed options provide extra power when you need it. What we like. Designed with professional barbers in mind, this clipper excels at zero-gap cuts and intricate detailing. The adjustable head and sharp blades offer limitless creative potential. If you're aiming for that super clean, sharp fade or precise outlining, and appreciate a premium, durable feel, this is the tool for you. What people say. They feel solid in the hand and have that professional weight and build that immediately tells you they're made well. The motor is strong and cuts through hair smoothly without pulling, and the blades stay sharp and precise. The battery life is also surprisingly good, lasting through multiple cuts without needing a recharge. It's super quiet, and the cordless aspect is really convenient. Number 3. FADEKING Professional Hair Clippers for Men. Experience professional-grade cutting performance designed for seamless blends. These clippers offer high-precision blades to cater to all your styling needs, ensuring excellent results every time. Achieve precise blending and sharp, clean edges with adjustable blades. Its durable zinc alloy housing ensures long-term reliability, while the sleek design offers both professional looks and ease of use. Enjoy efficient grooming with a high-performance, low-noise motor. Get up to 300 minutes of cordless operation on a single 2.5-hour charge, perfect for extended grooming sessions. This set includes everything you need: 6 attachment combs for various lengths, a cleaning brush, blade covers, and a storage case. It also comes with a barber cape and versatile charging cables. Designed for comfort, it offers a secure grip for extended use without strain. The unique cutting angle enhances trimming efficiency for a smooth, close shave. Take it anywhere with the included travel case. What we like. Boasting an impressive 300 minutes of cordless operation, this clipper is built for marathon grooming sessions. Its durable zinc alloy housing ensures it can handle frequent use, and it comes with a wide array of accessories for any style. If you need a long-lasting, robust clipper with everything you need for diverse haircuts, this is an excellent value. What people say. The battery life is excellent, lasting for multiple haircuts on a single charge. The cordless design offers great freedom of movement and makes it easy to reach all areas. It comes with a variety of attachment combs for different hair lengths, providing versatility for various styles. Number 2. Solati Professional Hair Clippers and Trimmers Kit. Introducing the Solati Professional Haircutting Clipper Set, designed to combine cutting and styling in one. This versatile kit is perfect for everyone, from adults to children. The large clipper handles all hair textures and lengths with adjustable blades, while the zero-clearance trimmer is ideal for detailed work on beards and sideburns. Crafted with sharp, self-sharpening alloy blades, these trimmers are built to last and suitable for even the most challenging hair types. Enjoy quiet operation, perfect for haircuts even while children sleep. Experience extended use with powerful rechargeable batteries. The large clipper offers 300 minutes of run time, and the trimmer provides 240 minutes, all with convenient USB charging. Never worry about power loss again. The built-in LED display clearly shows the remaining battery life, ensuring a smooth grooming experience every time. This comprehensive set includes everything you need for professional results at home, featuring multiple guide combs, cleaning brushes, and a hair comb. Achieve professional haircuts at home and save money. This kit also makes a thoughtful gift for friends, family, or loved ones. What we like. This set includes both a large clipper for general haircuts and a zero-clearance trimmer for precision work, making it incredibly versatile. Its low-noise operation is a game-changer for families, especially for cutting children's hair without fuss. If you need a complete grooming solution for the whole family, including the little ones, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The main clippers feel sturdy, and the smaller trimmer is perfect for clean edges and detail work. The digital display is a nice touch, it's helpful to see the battery level clearly. You also get plenty of guard sizes, plus a comb and cleaning tools, so it's easy to get the exact haircut you want at home. Cordless trimmers of this caliber make cutting hair and trimming facial hair a pleasure as a barber. The Beard Personal Shaver is equally solid, and just a great addition. So sharp and precise, no hint of slow down or excessive heat. Nice assortment of attachments. The set was easy to use, didn't overheat and did the job with speed and efficiency. It came fully charged and we had battery life left after using for both hair and beard. The razor has a nice weight to it and feels sturdy in hands. Number 1. Novah Professional Hair Clippers, Gold. Introducing the Novah Professional Hair Clippers, meticulously tested and proven in the world's top barbershops. Now, these trusted cordless clippers are available for everyone to achieve detailed cuts. Designed with input from the world's best professionals, this clipper offers limitless potential. With premium guards and an adjustable head, your creativity is truly unbounded. Experience industry-leading design that puts versatility in the palm of your hand. Shape, outline, and create the most defined looks with this premium hair cutting kit. Whether you're a professional or a home barber, achieve the best results with comfort. The unique handle ensures a secure grip, while the LED display keeps you informed of speed and power. Crafted with an all-metal unibody, these clippers offer a luxury feel and grip. The fast-charging battery and dual-speed options provide accuracy and power for a full day's work. What we like. With its all-metal unibody construction, this clipper offers a luxurious look and feel, plus a superior grip. The Turbo 2-speed option provides extra power when you need it most, and fast charging means less downtime. If you value a premium aesthetic, enhanced control, and quick power-ups for your barbering sessions, this is the one to consider. What people say. Comes with everything you need for a solid haircut. This was my first time cutting my own hair, and the included tools made the process much easier. Very quiet and sharp. Haircut was finished in less than 10 minutes. I appreciate the fact that it came with a new cape and oil as well. Now I don't need to purchase them separately. The build quality feels premium, and the gold-accented guards look stylish. It comes with everything you need, multiple guards, oil, charging cable, and extra accessories. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.